I heard you were exploring a new method to improve your English even during the night.
I recently started playing soft English audio when I go to sleep because it helps me relax and learn at the same time.
I wonder how your mind processes new words while you are resting.
I read that the brain keeps working quietly, picking up patterns from repeated phrases.
I noticed you look more confident with vocabulary these days.
I feel the nighttime listening routine strengthens the memory of phrases I hear often.
I imagine the calm voice in the background creates a peaceful learning environment.
I find the gentle pronunciation helps me remember difficult sounds naturally.
I heard someone say that bedtime learning boosts understanding without pressure.
I feel that the relaxed state makes it easier for new phrases to sink in deeply.
I saw a playlist of slow English stories designed for nighttime practice.
I listen to similar tracks because they mix simple language with calming music.
I like how the soft rhythm helps people drift into sleep smoothly.
I appreciate how the steady pace keeps my mind focused without feeling stressed.
I once tried listening to long English conversations while lying down.
I noticed the repeated expressions stayed in my mind the next morning.
I wonder how your concentration stays active even when your eyes are closed.
I think the brain keeps receiving information gently without forcing anything.
I feel the habit could transform the way people learn languages.
I agree because the consistent exposure builds familiarity with natural speech.
I listened to a story about travel while resting in bed.
I woke up feeling like I still remembered the scenes described in the narration.
I enjoy the feeling of falling asleep to meaningful content.
I prefer it too because it replaces random thoughts with useful learning.
I heard many people use background English to reduce anxiety at night.
I find it soothing because it creates a peaceful atmosphere in the room.
I discovered that soft audio reduces distractions from outside noise.
I love how it creates a safe and comfortable learning space.
I feel inspired each time I hear encouraging phrases before sleeping.
I appreciate how positive messages shape a better mindset for the next day.
I used to struggle with pronunciation during regular study hours.
I notice improvements after hearing native speakers while resting.
I feel proud when I see progress without extra daytime effort.
I feel the same because the nighttime practice adds value to daily learning.
I read that consistent listening enhances the ability to understand accents.
I experience the same effect after weeks of bedtime exposure.
I like how stories include real-life conversations in simple English.
I admire how easily they introduce new vocabulary through repetition.
I tried adding meditation-style English lessons during my sleep routine.
I felt a calm wave of focus that supported my learning journey.
I enjoy slow-paced expressions that match the rhythm of my breathing.
I love how that rhythm brings clarity to complicated sentences.
I often drift into dreams with English words floating around.
I sometimes wake up remembering phrases I never practiced consciously.
I feel that learning without pressure works better for many people.
I believe comfort and relaxation create the ideal learning atmosphere.
I admire people who use creative techniques to build their language skills.
I feel encouraged to keep exploring new methods like sleep learning.
I added nature sounds behind the English narration last night.
I enjoyed the gentle combination because it felt refreshing.
I felt sleepy faster when the audio had soft rain in the background.
I enjoy that sound too because it creates a cozy environment.
I love how nighttime learning fits easily into a busy schedule.
I find it perfect because it requires no extra planning.
I feel motivated to keep improving my English every night.
I feel inspired by the knowledge that progress continues even while resting.
I discovered that bedtime habits affect morning energy levels.
I wake up refreshed when the audio is slow and relaxing.
I notice that soothing voices improve listening skills gradually.
I appreciate how those voices increase my confidence in understanding.
I feel grateful for methods that make learning enjoyable.
I feel encouraged to stay consistent with simple routines.
I listened to a calming English podcast before sleeping yesterday.
I loved how the soft storytelling eased my mind instantly.
I sometimes imagine myself learning in a quiet library while I sleep.
I imagine floating words forming clear sentences around me.
I enjoy the peaceful moments right before falling asleep.
I feel those moments open the door to effortless learning.
I often reflect on the words I hear during the night.
I sometimes recall entire sentences without trying.
I feel nighttime listening shapes better pronunciation over time.
I agree because repeated exposure strengthens natural speech patterns.
I like the idea of combining breathing exercises with English listening.
I tried it and felt the rhythm helped me absorb new phrases.
I feel proud of creating a learning habit that fits my lifestyle.
I admire your dedication because sleep learning takes commitment too.
I found a gentle English bedtime story about friendship.
I listened to something similar and felt emotionally connected.
I enjoy how stories create vivid scenes even with simple language.
I love how those scenes help the mind remember vocabulary.
I feel sleep learning builds confidence in everyday conversations.
I feel that same confidence growing every time I try it.
I added positive English affirmations to my playlist recently.
I included uplifting messages too because they improve my mindset.
I enjoy hearing kind words before drifting into sleep.
I feel those words shape a brighter morning mood.
I imagine many learners benefiting from this simple routine.
I think it could help anyone who wants stress-free progress.
I feel connected to the language when listening at night.
I enjoy how that connection stays with me throughout the day.
I once dreamed of traveling while hearing English phrases.
I had a similar dream and felt more fluent inside my imagination.
I feel sleep learning makes language feel natural and familiar.
I believe the gentle repetition helps reduce hesitation.
I love how nighttime exposure enhances everyday vocabulary.
I love how it strengthens memory without extra effort.
I feel steady growth each time I follow the routine.
I sense that same growth whenever I commit to it.
I listen to simple English dialogues while resting.
I retain the expressions because they matched real situations.
I feel bedtime listening reduces stress after a long day.
I enjoy how it relaxes the mind while teaching new things.
I admire how the brain absorbs useful structures subconsciously.
I appreciate how this method blends rest with learning.
I enjoy pairing quiet breathing with slow narration.
I feel that combination brings balance and comfort.
I feel learning through sleep creates a gentle study rhythm.
I love how that rhythm supports long-term improvement.
I explored a new playlist with clear pronunciation.
I found the clarity perfect for increasing understanding.
I feel more connected to the language with every night of listening.
I feel the same connection becoming deeper over time.